Air pollution in Delhi remains a persistent issue throughout the year, with a significant spike during the winter months. In view of the deteriorating air quality levels and high levels of particulate matter, PM10 and PM2.5 in the ambient air, the Delhi government has recognized use of anti-smog guns on high-rise building as one of the measures for curtailing suspended dust by spraying fine water droplets from high-rise buildings such as commercial complexes, hotels, government building and private institutions and universities, thereby contributing to the reduction in air pollution. Delhi government has ordered installation of anti-smog guns mandatory on commercial complexes, malls and hotels having built-up area more than 3,000 square meters and office building and other institutions with GPLA 5 and above. Greengenra is one of the leading manufacturer of anti-smog gun in Delhi NCR, with proven models already installed and operating on several high-rise buildings including 5-star hotels, malls, commercial complexes, hospitals and government buildings in Delhi NCR. Greengenra. Anti-smog guns are easy to install at high-rise building. Multiple models covers range from 50 to 100 meters. Automated intermittent functioning as per requirement, equipped with PM2.5 and PM10 sensors, compliant with government guidelines, reliable and sustainable solution. Greengenra Technologies leads the way in manufacturing, installing and servicing anti-smog guns. For inquiries and installation, reach out to Greengenra on the given number.